Hi, this is Nagadinesh. As part of Digital Forensics project, I have done the tweet data extractor as my project. And as you all know, most of the communications is happening these days mainly in the social networking sites, especially Facebook and Twitter. So it is evident that we get most of the information about the user, especially from the social media activities, what he has done during the time, what he has while using this system, rather than from his email communications. And moreover, we all know that we have the various extractor tools like bulk extractor and autopsy, which will provide the details of the URLs what the particular user has accessed from by extracting it from his hard disk image, which is available. Out of that, uh, we won't get the complete details from the bulk extractor and autopsy URLs, like what are the pages he have viewed and what are the what are the locations he has visited, and all the details which we can fetch from the Twitter and the Facebook, which it won't be available from the those extractor tools. So as part of this tool, what I have done is I have taken out the tweet uh, tweet status messages, and I have extract which are all extracted from the bulk extractor. So I have taken the URLs which are available from the bulk extractor, and that URL file should be given to the this tool, and which would extract only the tweet state messages which are available in those URLs, and provide and analyze those tweets and provide the details like geolocation of the tweet, of the particular tweet, like from which location he has done the tweet, and date and time of the tweet, source from which the tweet has been made, and number of the times it has been retweeted, and also they provide some information about the user, like how many followers he had and how many friends he have. And also it tweets about the uh, it also provides the details of the people who are referred in that particular tweet. And this is a basic functionality of the tool. And coming to the exact technical perspective of the tool, the tweet data extractor, it actually completely focuses on developing a web portal, and it will be displayed in a presentable format, and that uses the tweet URLs which are extracted from the disk image, and by using the Twitter related APIs, and for the and the geolocations. Actually, initially, before the thought of this process, I thought like we need to use a Google Map API to get the geolocation details, whereas the updated version of the Twitter OAuth API, we get the details of the geolocation from it itself. So that way we can get the geolocation, like the latitude and longitude details, and from them we can fetch the details of the location from which the tweet has been done. So for this particular tool, we need to provide the input as the text format file, and that should contain the URLs which was extracted by the bulk extractor. And once it has fetched, and we'll get the details of the geolocation along with the timestamps to know the evidence at which the point of the evidence was at that point of time. So based on these details, so we can analyze that, I mean, the particular evidence is in the surrounding areas at the most of the time, so that we can uh, try to track him based on these details, like where he is visiting on most of the particular time, and it's like we can catch the culprit. That's the main intention of this tool. And coming to the demo of the tool, as you can see, this is as part of the assignment 3. We have done the bulk extract of the image file, and this is the URL which was extracted by the which was generated during that extraction. And I have used that, but of course there were no URL details related to tweets, so I have incorporated them in my text file which I will be using this for the project. I have inserted them in this text file. Now firstly, before the start of the process, I have done this using the PHP and MySQL. Out of this, so I have used the XAMPP tool, so we need to start off these two before this, and we need to go to the internet browser, and we need to go to the distro 416, which was I have stored in my local host, and this is the index page which we are going to see. So we need to choose the file from here, and the first thing we need to do is we need to select the file which we are going to provide this as an input to this, and so this is going to be my file which I have incorporated the tweet state messages in this. So click on the press OK, and then we just need to press on the submit, so that it will take a couple of seconds based on the file input size we have provided, and this is how it will be it is going to be presented to you. Here you can see it will provide the details like the name and description, a link of the tweet of the user profile, and what is the tweet text that he has done, and the source from which he has done the tweet. And if it is not able to trace the location, sometimes you know that, I mean, from the web or web, it's like we need to click on the add location, then only we will get the location of the tweet, or else we can't trace the location. Otherwise, from the mobile or any other applications, if the GPS is on, or if we have to check in the location, turn on the location option in the Android or iOS application, then it will automatically track the location of that, and it will provide the tweet creator time, and this also provide this which how many times that it has been done retweeted, and number of the friends user had, number of the followers user had. And here we can see that clearly it has provided the geolocation of the tweet, which will be in the polygon form, and with the longitude as this way, and the latitude is this, and based on those two locations we will be able to trace that location as it is in the Sri Lanka. Similarly, we could able to trace all the details, and we have also see, for example, in this case we have mentioned the people referred in this tweet are Carmelo Anthony, and this is hi Carmelo Anthony. So we, based on this, I mean, if there are multiple users, we will get the multiple users separated by comma over here. This is how we have done this is the basic application, and this is what it is going to be present for you. And now let me show you the details of the what are the PHP files and the Twitter API what I have used in this. This is what we have. This I have used the Twitter OAuth app API. So out of the, I mean, in this we need to provide our username and the password details of the Twitter, so that it won't ask you while you are trying to load the page. And when coming to this, this is the main activity display page, where we have done most of the coding, like fetching the details from the Twitter or the API, and and also the what are the profile details what we are looking for, and geolocation details, and other details like tracking the location based on the latitude and the longitude and all. And for the web page, what I've done is I have used the format tool, and from there I have provided the form detail, which I have created the form like this form detail, like the format of this form has been created from using the format tool, and which has helped me a lot in doing the creating most of the PHP and all the files which is required for this in the first step for the index page and all. So this is the tweet data extractor tool, and please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions related to the tool. Thank you. Have a great day.